Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I made this garlic butter baked chicken. Stick around if you want to see the full recipe. So I'm gonna start off with one whole chicken. I'm going to clean the chicken properly because these chicken nowadays, I don't know, it looks like they're not really cleaned properly, so you have to ensure that you clean the chicken. I did wash it with lemon and vinegar, so it's best to wash your chicken with that. Right here you can see me scraping some of the remaining stuff that's left on the chicken. That is the best way to clean it. I'm gonna put a small incision in the back of the chicken, and then I'm going to cut it in half, but not fully, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna cut the back so I can season inside of the chicken. I rather to do it this way than to leave the chicken whole. I find that I season the chicken better when I cut it in half like this. As I said, I did wash it with lemon or lime and vinegar. I'm gonna pat the chicken dry, then I'm gonna apply my dry seasoning. Before that, I did put some extra virgin olive oil on the chicken before applying my rub because the seasoning will stick to the chicken better when I do that. So the seasoning that I'm gonna add, I'm going to put them in the description down below, but I added 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper salt, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, half tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dry thyme leaves. And I did add about half tablespoon of black pepper. And when you're doing chicken, baked chicken, it's very simple. You don't have to overdo it. You can just add your simple spices that you like. It doesn't have to be too much because chicken, it's hard to go wrong with chicken. I then flipped it over, and as I said, I'm gonna season inside of it. I didn't add any butter or anything on the chicken. I just added some oil on the foil paper, and I'm gonna add that in the oven for 1 hour to bake on 370 degrees. For the garlic butter, I didn't get to film a video on that. I'm really sorry, but I just minced some garlic, about 10 garlic cloves, and I did added some parsley and about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I melted that. And once the chicken was fully cooked, you then add that on the chicken, and there you go, garlic butter baked chicken, and it was so good. As I said, you can bake it for an hour, but you can check to see if the chicken is undercooked. If it need more time, you can add more time. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. Bye.